In my last video on exercise 4.08, question 33, I mentioned there were several different ways you could actually solve this. So I'm going to show you another way. And this way actually involves just adding it together algebraically. Now, when you've got, so I put 2 here, this is attempt 2 if you like. So when you add 2 fractions, you can, and they're algebraic, or even if they're not algebraic, you can just cross multiply these bits here, and you can just multiply the denominators together to find a common denominator. And the same is true here. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'll rewrite the question. So, or in fact, I won't even I will rewrite it. What am I doing? 6 on x minus 1. So you can see what in each case I'm doing. I'm going to put these in brackets at the bottom here because what I'm about to do is these two are about to join together. So I'm going to have 6 times all this. So that's going to be 6 times x minus 2 plus, that's a plus, I don't know what that is, 5 times all of that, so that's 5 times all of that. Just normal fraction adding. Put a long vinculum and then multiply the denominators. So I've already got them in brackets, so I'm just going to put them together like that, and I'm pretty much done. So now I'm going to collect like terms on the numerator line. I'm not going to worry about the denominator at all, because the denominator actually doesn't exist anymore, as you'll see in a minute. So here it is. So that implies that that's true. That implies that that's true. That's an implies signal, by the way. And this implies that, put my implies sign, I've got 6 times x, which is 6x, 6 times minus 2, which is minus 12, plus I've got 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times negative 1 is minus 5. All over x minus 1 times x minus 2 equals 0. Now, of course, the denominator looks a little bit nasty, but again, it doesn't actually exist there, because what I'm going to do right now is multiply both sides by the denominator. And the moment I do that, it disappears. Watch this. It's magic. I love this. So I can take all of that and multiply it by, x. That's x. I'm not doing well with my x's today. X minus 1, x minus 2. So x minus 1, x minus 2, divided by x minus 1, x minus 2, means that all of that disappears. And I'm going to do the same the other side. I'm going to multiply all of this by x minus 1, x minus 2. Of course, 0 times x minus 1, x minus 2 is still 0. So I'm left with 0, and now I've got this equation here. Let's collect like terms. What about 6x and 5x? Well, 6x and 5x is going to be 11x. There it is. And negative 12 and negative 5 is negative 17. So I want to make x the subject, so I'm going to add 17 to both sides. There it is. So 11x is equal to 17. I'm going to divide both sides by 11. There it is, leaving me with x is equal to 17 on 11. And there is my solution for the second go at doing this.